So I'm sitting here behind a beautiful backdrop in my guest room where I'm going to be living for the next few weeks apparently. I wanted to tidy up after day one of renovations today. Today was demolition day, and I thought I was so prepared, but I guess I was a bit naive in a prepared sort of way. Like, I had my dining room table set up with like foods and all of this stuff, and every tiny thing in our house is coated with a layer of dust. And I tried to include some of this dust in the actual video. However, I don't know if I could, like, if it does it justice or not, but there was like a coating, like a thick coating of dust on everything from sheetrock and all of that stuff. And I thought we were actually going to be able, I thought that we could just cover up our bed and we could actually sleep in there during the renovations. But yeah, looks like it's going to be the guest room. But I am, at the end of this video, going to include like some pictures of the progress that we made today. So this is just a tidy, I can't even speak at this point. This is just a tidy up after renovation or demolition. So let's get to it. Oh, I forgot. Well, forgot to welcome you guys. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in the description box below. I hope that you can get lots of tiny tidying motivation. So after the demolition was finished today and there was that coat of dust on everything, I felt like I needed to just get the major dust off. I thought about packing like the stuff in my living room up in a box, and I thought about packing the stuff in my bedroom up in a box. But I think I'm just gonna get some plastic tonight and put over it tomorrow and not pack it all. But I may change my mind, I don't know. But you know, at this point it's already dusty, so it's all gonna have to be cleaned anyway. So basically I called this a tidy because I'm just trying to get the major coat of dust off of everything, and I have allergies, so it's gonna be fun. But anyway, again, I encourage you to watch the playlist and stay tuned at the end of this video to see what the progress of day one looked like. And now let's get busy tidying up the dust.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new...
Maybe with a home renovation, maybe you learn some self-renovations as well, because I feel like even on the first day of renovations, I was discovering something new about myself. And I have filmed so many videos and I deleted them because I would have an angle like this where you cannot see that much that is going on. The lighting is not in the right place, and I just would not show that video, never put it out, just delete it, and life would go on. However, I want to document this progress, and so I think the renovations are helping me to understand that I want my channel to show progress, not perfection. And I think so many times on social media in general, we want people to see the good moments and the good times, and yes, those exist, but we're not perfect people and we have imperfections, and sometimes the camera is the wrong way. Sometimes, like this, you get the vacuum cleaner stuck in the plastic on your couch. In case you did not notice that, yes, I did do that. And I think it's important to document those things too, because I'm leaving my little footprint on social media, as most of us are leaving our little footprints on social media, and I want people to look back and see the real authentic me. So I think that maybe I am growing and renovating myself in a little bit that way.
New day to take away your sorrow and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's tiny tidy video. I hope this video motivated and inspired you in some way, shape, or form, whether you have just a small tidy or maybe you have a disaster tidy like I do. Oh, by the way, my dogs are eating in here as well, so I think you can probably hear Molly eating, but I mean, we're basically living in this room at this point. So anyway, what was I gonna say? I lost my train of thought. Anyway, I hope it inspired you, whether you had like a large tidy to do or a tiny tidy to do. But remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today, and I cannot wait to continue to show you guys the progress.